Okay, so today's video is a pantry organization and restock. Last week we had a chance of restocking the fridge and the 2 drawers. So I'm going to walk you through. If you have a pantry just like mine, it's really slender, thin, but really deep. And we are going to stock it, okay? Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful family. I hope your week and your day and week is off to an amazing start. To my supporting returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for always rocking with me, stopping by to watch another video. And to my new subbies, thank you so much, and you are welcome to the family. I know you will love it here. Okay, so without any too much talking, let's dive into this video, because when we downsized here, I haven't done anything to this pantry, but actually I went ahead because it's too dark, so I went ahead and DIY. I used a contact paper to just make the place look a little brighter, because the door is black and the inside is too dark. So we just threw groceries in there, and you know, it's too hard to find stuff. You keep buying stuff when you know you have it, but it's going to be changed today. So let's get into this video. If you have the same pantry as mine, I hope this gives you some inspiration and some motivation. Okay, thank you guys. Okay guys, like I said earlier, we had a chance of organizing the fridge and 2 drawers last week. I will insert a few clips for y'all to see, and if you didn't have the chance to see, you can I will link the video in the description so you can watch it. It was really good, beautiful. But today's video is a slim but deep pantry organization and restock. Okay, so we are going to tackle one of the most challenging but satisfying areas in my small kitchen, which is the pantry. My slender, slim pantry with 5 shelves. Okay, well, it might be narrow, but with the right organization and restocking strategy, it can still be highly functional and stylish. So let's dive into this video and let me show you how I try to maximize every inch of space, keep things looking clean and cohesive, and make it easy to grab what I need without the clutter. Okay, so I've gone ahead, cleared all the groceries, cleaned the shelves, and because it's it's too dark, I'm using contact paper just to brighten the space. And I can also add spotlights, but although I didn't do so in this video. So wallpaper manageably done, and this is how it's looking. So far it's looking good, just like the way I love it. I mean, it's a little brighter, and I can add a spotlight on top when I'm ready to. Alright, so I'm placing this storage bins and expandable spice racks just to house my snack containers and canned items, because unfortunately the stackable can rack organizer was a little wider. After every measurement that we did, it was a little wider to fit, so, and I didn't want to force its way, so I'm going to use the plastic space rack instead. And this is how it's looking after I put in the storage bins and the stackable adjustable and expandable spice rack. This is how it's looking so far, and it's so satisfying to see how it's looking at the moment. So starting off with the top shelf, I'm adding the cereals, pasta, flour, oatmeal, jasmine rice in their containers, and I labeled them. Even though this set of containers, they brought the stickers, but the stickers weren't were blank, and you have to write your the names on them. So I have written their names, and then I have stuck them on the containers. So let's put them in the shelves and let's look at how it looks so far.
Help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, it's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It's always meant to be. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Couldn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Always meant to be. Always meant to be. Oh yeah, always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Moving on to future me, I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable.
Okay, so now that the top shelf is done, let's move on to the second, third, fourth, and the last shelves. The next shelf is for our snacks. We reach for daily and some dry foods like black-eyed peas, chia seeds, red beans, amongst others. Guys, this expandable shelf rack, the airtight storage food container, the storage bins, labeling are game changer. So in order not to forget the expiration date, I cut and paste at the back of the ones I know they stay longer on the shelf and before they are finished, so I can remember the date, if it's good or bad. But the ones we go through quickly, I don't paste any expiration at the back.
It's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Always meant to be. Always meant to be.
Second shelf is also done. It's looking so good and so well organized with their labels for easy access. So guys, at this point
I will leave you all to enjoy the music whilst I go through with the same process, and I will be back to say something or where I purchased what, if need be, okay? And all items will be in the description for your interest. Thank you so much.
Let's take this show on the road. Shit, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, hop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job loves boss be working my nerves. Clock out at 4. Phone don't do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls. The world is ours, so run it up.
Okay guys, these are a few of my canned stuff. Okay, I'm going to stack them in the pantry, and I'll show you how the outcome is, because the place is too small. I can't do it. I can put them up and use it at the same time. So I'll put them in and I'll show you the results. Okay, thank you. And that's it for today's pantry restock and organization, guys. I hope those gave you some inspiration and easy ideas to make the most of a small kitchen space. Remember guys, it's not all about having a huge pantry. It's about making every inch count. Every inch work smarter for you too. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home organization and decorating ideas, and share with someone who might also need a little pantry motivation. Thank you so much for always spending time with me. And until next time, guys, please remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Love y'all always, and bye-bye.